Good morning and happy Friday. It's now June 12th. It is the last Friday of this school year. So congratulations. We're at the end of school, almost. We got 3 more days next week, so don't get too excited until next Wednesday. And then after that, you'll be officially on summer break. The school year and wrapping up in the manner that it has definitely been the strangest year of teaching that I've had since I've been teaching, and really not sure what to say about it besides that it was very, very different. And obviously for you folks, very different as well. So what can we do about that? Not a lot, but we have to learn how to take any adversity that comes our way and work our way through it. And the vast majority of my students have done a very good job of doing that. So please continue to do so. So this week we had 2 assignments. One was the Great Paper Airplane Challenge. The other one was on the SpaceX launch, which was last week. Both involving flight and aerodynamics. So that's why we tied those 2 together. Please make sure you wrap up both those, and then make sure you check School Tool. If you do not see a grade in School Tool, make sure you circle back to the folder where that assignment exists and complete the work, okay? Now, obviously it's better if you do the work right along versus waiting to the end and trying to play catch up. The information, if you think about it, if you study a little bit each day for a test or a quiz, you're more likely to retain the material than if you just cram the night before, okay? So saving all your work to the end is kind of like cramming for a test right before you take it. It doesn't really help in long-term memory aids or information retention. Okay, just something for you to keep in mind. If you're a procrastinator, not really the best thing. So you need to try to work around that. So please get those assignments in to me so I can grade those. And next week is really a catch-up week for you to look at that school tool assignment, school tool list of assignments and just see what you're missing, okay? Let's please get all those assignments in so we can start off finish our school year on a high note and start our summer, feeling that, hey, I got everything done and I did pretty well considering all the adversity and all this different style of teaching, okay? Thank you very much. Have a great day.